Hebden Bridge. I'm always having mad. It's really good that Ryan came along to like focus the energy into something. So I used to have these mad ideas, and I took a load of Liverpool artists to Hebden Bridge. It's like this town in Yorkshire, and I was just paying for it all. I don't know what possessed me, but it was like it was a magical place, and I was like, we should make music here. And I was like, I'll make a record, and like we'll put it out. It'll be great. All different people on it. I got about halfway through and ran out of money.
It is a magical place.
It is a magical place, I was right about that bit. But we did do this one recording there, and we snuck it on the end of the album. It's like a little country song. So we'll do it now.
From the flood, though it does you no good, you'll never outrun the rain. Sing out in chorus as the water comes for us. I'll never see you again. Hide from the storm, find a place to stay warm. Black clouds are over your head. We will all go deep under to the rolling of thunder. See you again. Empty from the fire all your worldly desire. All around you's in flames. Once mattered will be lost to the ashes. I'll never see you again. From the sky comes my shimmering light, shining to show you the way, but it only brings blindness to the meager and the mindless who live to see the new day. Oh, run from the flood, but it does you no good. You'll never outrun the rain. We'll sing out in chorus as the water comes for us. I'll never see you. Nice shot everyone, thanks very much. Does anyone not play? Has we played?